Hi, welcome back to Hey Mom, What's for Dinner? It's Friday and I'm starting to think about our busy Saturday tomorrow, and I need to have a plan in place for dinner, and I'm gonna bust out my slow cooker. I have in mind my BBQ Chicken Sliders. It's one of our favorites. I picked up some Hawaiian Rolls at the grocery store and some chicken thighs and barbecue sauce. It's that easy. So you put the chicken thighs in the slow cooker, top it with barbecue sauce, shred it up, and put it on a little Hawaiian roll, serve it up with a nice salad, with some potatoes, and a meal comes together like that. Check out this recipe and how easy it is to make.
These sliders are perfect for weeknight cooking or if you're entertaining out by the pool. You just need a few ingredients. I have here 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Also 2 dozen Hawaiian rolls and my favorite barbecue sauce, salt and pepper. I'm going to start by seasoning the chicken thighs. And what I love about this recipe is that it's super quick and easy to prep before you head out the door. Now I'm just placing the chicken thighs into the slow cooker and add as much meat as you need. This is just 2 pounds, but if you're feeding a crowd, you can certainly put more. I like using shortcuts to cut back on time. So I'm using my favorite jarred barbecue sauce that I got at my favorite grocery store, and I know it's full of flavor. I'm just pouring enough just to coat the top of the chicken thighs. Here, let me show you. Now these chicken thighs are going to produce enough liquid to where you don't need to add anything else. Put a lid on it and let it go for 6 hours, and when you get home, it smells delicious. And with my slow cooker, when it's done, it'll automatically just set to warm. And it's been over 6 hours, so I know it's ready. To shred the chicken, you just need 2 forks, and with the chicken being so juicy and tender, it doesn't take much effort. You'll want to give the chicken a little taste to see if it needs more salt and pepper, and I think it does, so I'm going to add a little bit more. Now it's time to plate it up. I like to serve this with a fresh salad and some roasted baby potatoes, and then drizzle ranch dressing over both sides. This dish will totally get my kids' seal of approval. And dinner is done. How easy was that? These look so good, I can't wait to take a bite. These little sliders are full of flavor. Next time you have a busy day planned, use your slow cooker and try this recipe. Thanks so much for watching.